Alright, so you know I'm a Lodge cast iron guy. But I got some friends that like this CampMaid. And anyway, they hooked me up. Bill Goudy, he hooked me up with this foldable charcoal chimney. And he hooked me up with this pot. If you turn this upside down, it's spring loading. It's a lid lifter. But if you turn it like that, you can use your lid as a skillet. And he didn't have any of those. I bought that at the store. Just got that yesterday. It's the first time using it. But anyways, put the charcoals in that. Squeeze this, and that opens up. And that round part right there goes right on that part. So in essence, you can use a lid from your cast iron Dutch oven as a skillet. Now, purpose of this video is just to let you know, I mean, that's not CampMaid, but you know what? I'm not opposed to using CampMaid products to enhance my cooking experience, you know? So, I just want to show you that this CampMaid stuff can work with, you know, if you're a Kingsford guy, like me, yeah, man, you can use Kingsford. If you're a Lodge guy like me, you can use Lodge, but this stuff works with CampMaid and Lodge. I'm going to cook me some chicken fajitas. They're going to be good. Thank you, Tim, Creative Outdoorsman. He sent me these Cabelas spices, and I'm liking them too. Oh, don't even think about it, cat. Alright, I gotta go wash this. I'll be right back. Man, I'm afraid you're gonna try to get my food, man. I'm gonna put some cat protection on here. Lucky for me, that big cast iron skillet with the side handle, that's the assist handle on there, fits perfectly, you know, with that lid. Oh yeah, well, I don't have any peppers and I don't have any onions, but I got this high fiber tortilla shells, high fiber, low carb thing. I'm just gonna wrap them up in that and eat them. This low carb thing is tough, man. You guys that are on it, man, I tell you, at first I thought it was a gimmick, but then I saw the results, man, firsthand from some guys. So anyway, and Bill's one of them, man. Bill, the guy that hooked me up with this stuff. Y'all know him, right? I mean, surely. You know, look at the goodness, man, oh man. Yeah. Anyway, he's lost a lot of weight. Calvin's Corner 72. He's lost a lot of weight. Ed Grizzly Taco, he's lost weight. Geez, I'm trying to think who else I know. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm forgetting you, but anyway, I started May 1st. Was today like June the 19th? So six weeks, 20 pounds so far. So that's pretty good, and I'm still drinking. You know, I can't. Man, if you don't have, you gotta have. If you don't have any carbs, I'm pretty sure you just die, right? So you got to have some. All right, I just got to take some time to show you some stuff. All right, if you're interested in the low carb thing, check out this brand right here. Extreme Wellness High Fiber. check this out. It looks kind of scary at first. 16 grams of total carbs, but 11 of them are dietary. So I guess the thing is, you subtract 11 from 16. That's your total carb count, which is pretty good. These things, normal flour ones are like 30 a piece. So that's that. And then I'm going to use this product here, which I've had. Check this out. What ingredient is missing that you always see? I'll tell you, high fructose corn syrup and sugar. And guess what? T.W. Gardner Food Company. You ever heard of them? You have. You just don't know you have. It's the same people that make Texas Pete. Ha Success. So the CampMaid Dutch oven accessories work perfectly with Lodge in Kingsford. I'm going to enjoy a low-carb Mexican treat. See ya.